In this video, I'll show you how you can use ChatGPT to create Excel macros, even if you literally know nothing about macros. So here we have a list of numbers ranging from 1 to 500, and we want the macro to tell us how many of these numbers go over 100. We open up the ChatGPT, and we tell him what we want. Write an Excel macro to count the numbers that go over 100 in column A, and show the result in cell C9. Just hit enter and wait a few seconds, and he will come up with a code I just have to copy and paste. And he also tells me how I can include this macro in my workbook. So I copy this, then go back to the workbook, hit Alt F11, then here I right click, insert new module, and just paste the code the ChatGPT generated. So I can go back, and here in the developer tab, I hit macros. Here's the macro created. I just run it, and here's the result. So 158 of these numbers go over 100.